Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about bar and bar chart in Tableau. So it is used when you want to compare two or more measures each other. So in this video we are going to compare profit between 2 years 2020 and 2021. So what you can observe in this chart is these 2 years of profits starts at same baseline and different colors and different sizes. So let me do it from scratch and I will remove everything from row shelf and column shelf and from the filter shelf and marks card. So first I will drag region into rows and then profit into columns. So this view is profit by region. Now I will drag this order date into filter shelf and click on years, then click on next. Now I will select these 2 years 2020 and 2021 because I am going to compare profits between these 2 years 20 and 21. Then click on OK. Click on this drop down and click on show filter. So I will drag this order date into colors. Click on analysis option, select this stack marks and click on this off. This yellow bar is a profit of 19,899 in the year 2021 and this blue bar is the profit of 11,717 in the year of 2020. Actually this yellow line also started at this baseline but we cannot able to see it. So I will keep this order date in size. Click on this drop down and select year. You can also vary the size and colors of these bars from these legends. So double click on the years to change its color, or also you can click on this drop down and you can click on this edit colors. So I will change the color of this 2020 profits to, then click on apply, then click on OK. You can increase its size, double click on it and okay. So now you can compare the profit between 2 years 2020 and 2021 easily. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.